Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles back with you again. It's a beautiful day here in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, and I got an awesome machine for you. This one just came in yesterday. It's a 2016 Vulcan S with ABS. Let's do a quick walk around here. A couple things up front. We got a Two Brothers exhaust on there, which makes it sound awesome. We got the Ergo Fit seat, which and passenger pillion back there, which gives us a good, comfortable ride. We got an add-on cafe type windscreen here. This bike is well done. If sold here, our customer traded in to a Vaquero 1700, so that's good news for him and good news for somebody that's looking for a nice used bike. This thing's got about 4,000 miles on it. I'll show you the dash on it here. There we go, and while we're at it, why not fire it up and hear that great Two Brothers exhaust sound. Spring is here, guys. That's awesome. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check us out, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to let us know that you like the videos. We'll try to get more out to you. Thanks. Have a great day.